Hello everyone, this is an overview tour of the new website. One of the main things we've done in this is to employ a lot more search engine optimization and data tracking, which you can't see on the surface but is underneath, and we've had some experts look at the old site and recommend what we can do better, and we've implemented that in the new version, and we'll continue to improve and perfect on it as we roll it out. Another key thing in the new design is an improved cart and checkout process. So if you order, customers are getting feedback about whether they want to proceed to checkout or continue shopping. And if we proceed on to the checkout, we'll see that checkout has also been redesigned. It's nice and clear and easy, and checkout process is also easier. And this really is designed all around reducing cart breakage, or what's called improving the conversion rate. So we're keeping a close eye on those things as well. Also, you can't see it at the surface, but this is all new technology. It's been upgraded to Bootstrap 3, which gives designers a lot more that they can do. It gives designers access to the latest tools so that they can employ latest features when they customize your websites. So there's some little things to look out for. When you log in now, the back office links are not down here, they are up here in this drop down. There's also submenus on pages here. Now I don't have any on my ones, but I think these guys may have added some. Yes, there. This is a website that's underway with the designers, and these guys are doing a very nice job actually. External links for content navigation. So now we have external links up here, but you can actually put external links in this navigation bar along here as well. Color adjustment for the buttons. So these buttons here can now be adjusted in the back office without having to touch code. And we'll just go for a quick look in there actually as well. So back office, and this is all in the same place as it was before under settings and templates. Settings, templates. So same as before, but there's a few more options in here for setting colors of various things. Now, next thing, carousel for the home page, HTML and color selection for the footer. So in here, you'll see, go back to the home page. You'll see here there's this carousel, which is quite common on lots of sites. You'll see it on Book Depository, etc. This is partly so people can scroll through like I am here, but it's actually more about supporting all kinds of monitor sizes. What's happened in the industry is we're needing now to support everything from a phone to a super wide graphic design monitor and make the sites look good on all of these. So really what you need is websites that reinvent themselves depending on the size of the screen that you have. So if you see here, I move this in, you'll see it start to redesign itself as you go in. So now we've got a smaller, thinner image, and still 4 along here. If we go in a little bit more, it'll change again to something else. We'll pop over here. Still getting 4 on the page though, probably something, but moving the navigation to the top. So that might be something like an iPad. As you get smaller and smaller, then you get down to phone type sizes, and where you putting products just one up and down the page like this. So that increased adaptability is also part of this design. Down the bottom I mentioned ability to put color behind HTML into the footer. Full width is another thing that the whole industry is really tending to move to, where your websites aren't constrained to a certain width. They used to do that so that you could actually have a dependable thing to design into, but because, again, as I was saying, there's so many monitors now, you need to support more. So we're creating websites that reinvent themselves, and so the default tends to be full width now to make best use of all the space that's provided to you on the monitor you happen to end up on. Now, there's breadcrumb navigation is another little thing. So if you go in here, you'll see we've been home navigation, then we go to another one, which will basically show us our trail. It makes navigating back to and from where you came from easier. Now, final thing I will talk about is that there's a full separation between beta and production. So here's the production side, and if I switch to beta dot ETA, I can design in beta, or the designers can work in beta and muck around in there without disturbing your content in production, which we struck some problems with in the early stages. So I go to back office in beta here. So all these settings, templates, I can change these around and not affect the content or color schemes or layout or anything on production. And at the end, when you're happy with the new look on beta, you just click this save and import to production to release your new website to production. So this process gives you a nice way to move to the new version and still have what you've got in place while you do that. Thank you very much, and we hope you enjoy this new version.